Welcome to this introduction of the Unity Real-Time Blood Bank course. Let's start with the basics. Unity Real-Time is a QC management software offered by Bio-Rad. It allows you to easily track your lab's QC results over time to monitor trends. It also streamlines your documentation process, providing you with digital records. Those digital records will help your lab comply with standards. Here you see a few of the regulatory requirements your lab must meet. Take a moment to read them. Unity Real-Time offers simple ways to achieve all of these. It also helps you manage your QC records accurately and efficiently. For instance, as you enter data, it alerts you if a result is unacceptable and prompts you to add your corrective action. Doing so prevents clerical errors and promotes consistent documentation. Records are traceable and reliable because they always include the user, the date, and the time. Plus, everything is digital, so no more manual forms. Now, what will you actually be doing in the software? Your routine process will follow the 2 E's: enter and evaluate. First, we'll look at how to enter your QC. You simply select the result from the drop-down list for each test. Watch as I enter a few rows. The second E is evaluate. Here's a bench review screen where we can evaluate the results. For instance, notice that anti-B has had to be repeated 6 times recently due to rejected results. I'll click the Go to Chart button so we can take a look at the Levy-Jennings chart. Now we get a visual representation of anti-B. It looks like the results have been trending lower since January 5th, and there have been 6 rejections since then. If these were real results for your lab, perhaps this would help you determine that you need to investigate anti-B further. This concludes your introduction of Unity Real-Time. Thank you for your participation, and we hope you enjoy your upcoming training.